In this video, I'll show you how to view two pages side by side in Microsoft Word, which is extremely helpful when you need to compare content, review layouts, or check differences between pages. By default, Microsoft Word displays pages in a vertical layout, meaning you have to scroll up and down to move between pages. This can be time-consuming and inconvenient, especially when you're trying to compare information across multiple pages. As you can see in the document, the pages are currently arranged one below the other. To check what's on the next page, you would normally need to scroll down, then scroll back up again to compare details. The good news is that Microsoft Word has a built-in feature that allows you to view pages side by side instantly, eliminating the need for constant scrolling. To enable this view, go to the top of the Microsoft Word window and click on the View tab. This tab contains several options related to how your document is displayed on the screen. Once you're in the View tab, look for the option labeled Side by Side and click on it. As soon as you select this option, Microsoft Word will automatically adjust the layout of your document so that two pages are displayed next to each other horizontally. This allows you to see both pages at the same time, making it much easier to compare text, formatting, images, or layouts without switching back and forth. This feature is especially useful for editing, proofreading, and reviewing long documents, as it gives you a clear visual comparison of pages in real time. And that's it. With just one click, you can now view two pages side by side in Microsoft Word and work more efficiently. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.